1 minute. Pay close attention. Right now, President Gustavo Petro's government is finalizing a historic deal that could change Colombia's air defense forever. At this very hour, Petro is signing the contract to acquire 17 Gripen fighter jets from Sweden's defense giant, SAAB. This isn't just an arms deal, it's a leap toward modernizing Colombia's air defense infrastructure. The aircraft are expected to arrive gradually between 2027 and 2032, with a staggering budget of 16 trillion pesos. The first 100 billion pesos will be released in 2026, as confirmed by our correspondent Stephanie Valencia on Noticias Caracol. In short, the wheels are already in motion, and Colombia is about to take a giant step into the next generation of aerial defense. This isn't just about buying planes. It's a strategic move signaling Colombia's intent to strengthen its sovereignty in the skies while carefully navigating international alliances. Could this reshape regional power dynamics? Stay tuned, because the story has just begun.
Welcome back to our channel, Skyjet Wings. What exactly are these new Gripen jets replacing? The CAFIR aircraft fleet that's been in operation for years. And here's the breaking news. At this very hour, the Colombian government is expected to announce that the first Gripen jet could arrive before President Gustavo Petro's term ends. Live from the ceremony celebrating the 106th anniversary of the Colombian Aerospace Force, President Petro officially finalizes the acquisition of 17 Gripen aircraft from Sweden's SAAB. The signing took place at the Marcos Miguel Juarez Military School, the heart of Colombian aviation, and was witnessed by top officials, the President, Minister of Defense, and the Swedish ambassador. The ambassador also addressed the audience live, highlighting the high-level cooperation between Colombia and Sweden that made this historic deal possible. This isn't just a replacement, it's a strategic modernization, signaling Colombia's ambition to strengthen its air power while forging stronger international defense ties. The implications for regional security could be profound. The story of Colombia's new Gripen jets didn't start today. Negotiations have been accelerating for months, and today, November 14, 2025, the government can finally announce to all Colombians 17 Gripen aircraft are coming to replace the aging CAFIR combat fleet. President Gustavo Petro personally confirms this acquisition, finalized at a staggering 16.5 trillion pesos. After months of intense negotiations and high-level dialogues with Sweden's SAAB, Colombia's air defense modernization has now entered its final phase. The 17 Gripen jets are scheduled for delivery gradually between 2027 and 2032. Marking a historic leap for the Colombian Aerospace Force, a modernization project that signals not only a technological upgrade, but also a strategic strengthening of national security. This isn't just about numbers or aircraft, it's a decisive strategic move. By investing heavily in these state-of-the-art jets, Colombia is signaling to the region that its air defense is ready for the challenges of the next decade. Breaking at this very moment, President Gustavo Petro has officially signed the acquisition of 17 Gripen aircraft, a deal valued at 16.5 trillion pesos. The payment schedule stretches all the way to 2032, with the first 100 billion pesos expected to be dispersed at the start of 2026, kicking off the full budget execution and the initial deliveries. This isn't just a financial transaction, it's a strategic partnership. Both Colombia and Sweden understand the importance of a strengthened air defense, protecting national sovereignty while ensuring the freedom of citizens. In today's turbulent global context, having reliable allies who defend shared values, peace, human rights, and international law is crucial.
For over 2 decades, Sweden has supported Colombia in citizen security, governance, gender equality, and the demobilization of armed groups. Recently, Sweden showcased Gripen's capabilities in collaboration with Brazil at the FR Fair in Riegro, while top Swedish Air Force officials visited Colombia's Palo Quemado and Puerto Salgar bases, further cementing this partnership. Today, the historic signing with SAAB officially welcomes Colombia into the Gripen family, a milestone that reflects not only technological advancement but also a deepening bilateral relationship focused on peace, security, and regional stability. This acquisition is more than planes. It's a symbol of trust and strategic alliances. Colombia is signaling that it's ready to defend its skies and secure its sovereignty with world-class technology, all while strengthening key international alliances. Through this historic collaboration, Colombia is taking a giant leap in air defense capabilities. Benjamin Duza, Sweden's Minister of International Cooperation, celebrated the closing of the deal for 17 Gripen aircraft, which are at the forefront of modern military technology. Coinciding with the 106th anniversary of the Colombian Aerospace Force, this deal is finalized at 16.5 trillion pesos. Just moments ago, President Gustavo Petro confirmed the contract between Colombia's Ministry of Defense and Sweden's SAAB company, officially securing these next-generation aircraft. In Petro's words, "This moment is historic for Colombians. The 17 new Gripen aircraft offer air superiority with the latest technology, strengthening national security and defense, and will also have social and environmental impacts in energy, water, and health, representing absolute innovation and modernization for the Colombian Aerospace Force." A prototype of one of the 17 Gripen jets was presented during the commemoration, offering Colombians a first glimpse of the aircraft expected to arrive around 2027. This is more than a purchase. It's a strategic step into the future of air defense, combining cutting-edge technology with broader national benefits. This acquisition isn't just about military strength. It's about national pride, technological advancement, and long-term strategic planning. Colombia is now positioning itself at the forefront of regional air power, signaling a new era of aerospace innovation and defense readiness. In my view, this isn't just a purchase of 17 jets. It's a strategic masterstroke by President Petro. By investing in Gripen's cutting-edge technology, Colombia is not only modernizing its air defense, but also sending a message to the region that it is ready to protect its sovereignty and play a bigger role in regional security. The careful collaboration with Sweden also shows a long-term vision, combining military power with international alliances and innovation. 17 Gripens, 16.5 trillion pesos. Colombia is officially conquering the skies. This historic deal will define the country's air defense for decades. If you want to stay updated on Colombia's Gripen jets, military technology, and global aerospace news, hit that subscribe button, give a like, and turn on notifications. Skyjet Wings will keep you flying on top of all the latest air defense developments.